Hi there, traders. I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder and CEO of Traders for Traders. Now, I've been trading for 35 years, and 20 of those were for investment banks. Now, I've seen some crazy stuff in my time, but nothing crazier than what I see on a lot of the funding challenges out there at the moment. Now, let me just give you a walkthrough of how easy it can be to pass these funding challenges. Now, first of all, it's about knowing how the market works and where to get in and where to get out, where the big moves occur. Instead of sitting there and churning over, trying to make 1 or 2 pips out of every other trade, why not sit back, wait for the big moves where the trend lines break and make most of your money in those opportunities? Like, when's this going to happen? Do we wait to get long sterling when it breaks the trend line? Or do we combine it with a full thruster? And what I'm talking about is you combine this with some economic numbers like the inflation numbers. These US numbers come out weak. That sterling move is going to explode to the top side. And if you're going to make sort of 8, 9, 10% out of your funding challenge, well, you can pick up a quick 4 or 5% on that one move alone. It's knowing when to get in, when to get out. Now, if you don't understand that, well, next to this video, you'll find a link to our free introductory course. And that will give you a good walkthrough to get you started on the right track. And don't forget to come back to our channel. I'm going to be adding a whole range of tips and tricks, trading education, some cool strategies, and get you in the winner's circle once and for all. Good luck, traders. All the best. Cheerio.